Yo, I got like $120 on my PayPal. Oh yeah, and 1 cent because someone sent me 1 cent. I was like, wow, that's on that's. So I'm happy as fuck, right? I'm like, yeah. I'm like, yo, my supporters there, man. They love me. They like, yo, they going in. They for $500. They going in, yo. And then, yo, the next morning I wake up, my account had 1 cent. 1 cent. Kenrick, David, thank you for subscribing. I had 1 cent, yo. I was like, yo. I was like, what the hell? I was happy as shit. I went to sleep. I was like, yo, tomorrow I'm gonna give me a McLatte at Starbucks and shit, you know, be walking around like I'm the shit. Yo! I had 1 cent. I'm like, what the fuck you want me to do with 1 cent? That one person kept the cent in there and everybody else took their money back. I was like, damn. Like, damn, that's how it's gonna be. Thanks for the 100 bars. You know, that's how I'm like, damn. Thanks for 500 bars, Riley Micken. Alright, so look, I'm gonna download this like sound thing. Oh, those 400 likes, thank you. I appreciate it. Guys, so I see this thing. This like it's like a parade when someone tips. 50 bars, thank you for the 50 bars. I never had it. I never had the parade. You know? I want the parade. Not just because of the bars, you know? Okay, maybe a little bit because of the bars, you know? But most likely, what's important here, listen to me, listen. I want the confetti jumping everywhere, okay? I want the fish sticks. That's all that matters. Nah. Hold on, let me download this. What's a good sound, sound effects? No, I know Vine sounds. There you go. Your boy GEO catching up with shit. Ugh. Thank you for the 100 bars. But yeah, that confetti shit, I want it. I never had it. So the first person that gives it to me, I'ma love you to the day I die. Thank you for the. Oh yeah, guys, go check out Rican Rush tour right here. If you guys want to see me in New York City. Thank you for the 100 bars. I'm just kidding. Alright, yo. Vlog there? Yeah, I'm gonna start vlogging, don't worry. So my second account, I disabled it because, you know, nobody really knew what was the second account. So I'd rather do my vlogs on my personal account. Are you guys cool with that? On my, like, FlaminGeos account? You guys cool with that? Yeah. Like, you're still seeing the vlogs. You know what I mean? It's still gonna be up every day, but I just gotta get myself situated first. Shamir! What's good, homie? Shamir, I still got your shirt. Savage. Yeah. I love you, Tabitha. I love you too. Alright, so let me see something.
A potato flew around my room before you came.
Bella, thank you for the 50 bars. Alright, so whenever someone tips, we gotta come up with like a sound. That one, right? That one. So alright, so the least the bars, the more the bars, the crazier the sound. Okay? Shamir. Hey, so it'll be like,
Do you got a babe? Or no? Is you trying to date? Or no? You got a babe? Or no? You trying to date? Or no?
alright, so Mandy just tipped me 50 bars. Yeah, yeah. Pretty much. Yeah, pretty much. Someone give me an applause. I feel so welcome. Guys, if you guys don't know who is my #1 tipper of all time, who is it? He's watching right now. Where you at? Comment. Where you at? You know who you are. My #1 tipper of all time. He's watching. You gotta comment. If you know him, make sure you comment. Say something with my name. Steph, I love you. My boy Khalifa. Khalifa.ps34. Yo, Khalifa, I switched to a PS4, so I don't know if you play PS4, but hey, whenever you're down and hit that Chris Copey match on Call of Duty or anything, let me know. You about to get 360 trick shot and no scope with the dab for final kill cam. Yeah. Yeah, but hey. Can you answer my Snapchat? Alright, look, Brogy, this is what happens. I don't know how to log in my Snapchat. Yeah, that's a problem. I forgot the email and the password. And since I got a new phone, because look what happened to my phone last night. Thank you for subscribing. Look, that's what happened to my original phone last night. So I got a new phone today. Yeah. When are you seeing Lauren Monday? Can't wait. Always getting new phones. I know. And like, it's not like I crack my phones or anything. Like, it's not like I mistreat them at all, you know? You know what I mean? Like, I take really good care of my phones. You can tell. You know what I mean? Like, I just got this new one. Like, this is another one. Like, I take really good care of my phones. You know what I mean? Like, I don't just do shit in purpose. You know what I mean? Like, it's not like it's just crazy how people think that shit. Like okay. I'm just kidding, y'all. Those phones don't work, so I just threw them. This is my original phone, so I'm not gonna do this to that one. He threw it out the window. Y'all remember that? Y'all remember that? Chanel, thank you for subscribing. Hold on, I gotta do a sound for Chanel. Everyone gets their own unique sound. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna say your name, and it's gonna be like,
I'm in my mom's car.
oh shit.
Broom, broom.
I got it.
I'm in my mom's car. Broom, broom.
Hey, Samarari. That was for you. I got mad my iPad wasn't working. I put it in the microwave. Yo, I just look it. What if I put my phone? Hold on. I'm gonna do that. What if I put my phone in the microwave right now? What happens? Guys, what happens if I put my phone in the microwave? Nothing really bad would happen, right? I don't think so. Let me check. I'm gonna go take this downstairs. I don't think anything bad will. Rambo. Say what's up, homie G. Alright, look. I don't think anything could happen. Like, Oh shit. Yo, that shit blinked. Oh, nope, nope. Get out, get out. Oh, it smells like burnt. That was a dumb idea. My microwave all exploded. It's a little bit burnt now. Yeah. Oh, that shit smell like shit too. Rambo, why you farted, bro? What happened? I just put my phone in the microwave to see what happens, and that happened. So yeah, a lot of things happen, but you weren't here to see it happen. Why do I say happen? I don't understand what's happening. See what just happened? Alright, so yeah, that just happened. Does it work? So, the moment of truth. Oh! Yo, that shit's burning! Ow! Ah! How do I turn it off? Ah. Why the fuck is the phone so hot? I feel like it's gonna explode on me, yo. Okay, it's off. It's off. Oh my god, I felt like the phone was gonna explode on me. Like it got hella hot when I turned it on. That shit was weird. Almost died. Almost died. Almost died, yo. I love you. I love you too. Cece, this. Hold up, this for you. Alright, that's for you. Sarah, this for you. Hannah. Thank you for letting your bars. Swifty. Michaela.
Broom, broom.
Yeah, I don't think my phone's gonna explode after I just put it in the microwave. I think it's doing good. Francis.
Hey, how much of this saying it?
S. Bedley. Do you actually know Baby Ariel? No. I do not. I've seen her, met her, but don't know her. You're psycho. Kinda. I'm not that really psycho. My daughter wants you to shout her out. Natalie Dominguez. Natalie Dominguez. 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 No sé si lo estoy diciendo bien. But what's up, Natalie? How you doing? Sí, mira, yo no sé en verdad. Yo estoy al garete, papi. Yo estoy al garete. Guys, watch. I'm gonna be a Puerto Rican ghetto. Pero, papi, mira, yo estaba bajando a la calle, papi. Y este tipo me pasó por el lado rápido, mano. Y yo le di una mirada que él nunca quiere verlo otra vez. Me pasó y yo le hice así. Y mira lo que dijo este sucio. Me dijo, ¿qué está pasando, puñeta? Y yo lo miré, le dije, ¿qué? Mira, papi, ven acá. Tuviese una cosa. Tú me vuelves a hablar así a frente de esta gente, te parto la cara. ¿Me está escuchando? Que ya tú me tienes harto. Me tienes harto, mano. Rompo la... Wait, what just happened? But yeah. Me harto. That's so funny. I love you so freaking much. I love you too. I love you too, Francis. Where's Lauren? I don't know. Should we call her? FaceTime her. I want to FaceTime her. Her phone should be soft. I've never cheated on Lauren. That was just a dumb rumor. And we'll call her again. Come on.
Hi.
Hi, Lauren.
What's up?
Damn, that's kind of hi. What's up? Chilling. What are you doing?
Just got out of the shower.
Oh, call me after.
Okay.
They wanted to say hi, so.
Hi.
Alright. Oh shit, I caught something else, but yeah. Alright, I'm just kidding. Joe, tell Lauren I love her. I'll let her know, Hannah. Francis, thank you for the 100 bars. Yeah, I see the same people tipping the small amount. Like, bruh. I want the machete. Get her machete. You and Lauren are so cute. You and Lauren's cute, cause Lauren sounded tired. Yeah, she kind of did. She just came out the shower, so I don't know. Thank you for the 100 bars. Thank you for the 100 bars. Yeah. What kind of boyfriend? This is the type of boyfriend. I'm kind of jealous type. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. That's just like me caring. I don't know. I've never like really been that jealous of a person, but I'm just like a little bit jealous, and it's like it's I don't know. I'm just jealous pretty much. I'm just a jealous person. If you're 18, you'll be dating Lauren illegally. You need to do research. Do a weird post so I can screenshot. Aladdin, what's good, my dude? My bro. What's good, bro? How you doing? How you doing, my dude? Yo, Aladdin, I got a new number, bro, so if you ever want to hit me up, I got you. Miss you, bro. I miss you too. Y'all see you at Playlist Orlando, bro. That's soon, so. Yeah, text me. DM me your number, and I got you, bro. After broadcast, go check it out. Go check it out for sure, bro. For sure. Guys, look at this video I have ready, but I can't put it up because it's, the sound is copyrighted. But I know you guys want to see it. It's from me and Lauren, like, in Puerto Rico. Look. Well,
Suavemente, bésame, que quiero sentir tus labios besándome otra vez. Suavemente, bésame, que quiero sentir tus labios besándome otra vez. Suave, bésame, bésame, suave, bésame otra vez. Yo quiero sentir tus labios suave,
besándome otra vez. Alright, chill. I'm just that's my song. I wanna do an Instagram video to the song. You think it'll be funny? No, yes, no. Alright, but look, this is a wait, deleted video. Where'd my video go? Oh, it's over here. So look, this is the video I'm talking about, the one I want to upload. I'm gonna only show you guys a little piece, but I think I'm gonna change the audio, so. I just wanna take you out and show you. You already. Alright, so that's pretty much all on the show, and that was only 48 seconds out of the whole video. So yeah, that's the video I want to upload, but I need to change the audio. I might be uploading it on Saturday. Today's Thursday, so probably Saturday. I think it'll be really nice for you guys to watch it, and it shows a lot of Puerto Rico, so I like it. Thank you for the 100 bars, Melly the Mermaid 2004. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Follow my Instagram. Don't know what's your Instagram. I hate you and Lauren. I just want to talk. Quick talk, you know. I just want to talk. Nothing really. Oh shit, she accepted.
What's up, baby? I've been missing you. Where you been? I wish I was kissing you right now. You know what I'm gonna do?
I wanna be you. I wanna be you. I wanna show. Alright, look, you know, this is what really gets to me. I didn't expect, like, what the fuck was that, yo? That was like a random punch to the face. Like you're eating ice cream with this nice ass view. You're like, damn, I love life, and then someone just throws a pile of shit right at your face. Bah! And it came out of nowhere. You're just like, what the fuck? You know what I mean? That's just what happened. That was just like so unexpected. And it was so inappropriate. Don't know. Yeah, hold up. I fucked up. Please don't call the number, please. Was the number like clear? Like, did you guys see the number? Yeah. Fuck, don't call the number, please. Don't call it. Don't spam it. Don't do anything. I'm so fucking dumb. Not completely. Alright, I pray to God the number wasn't like completely. You're lying. I really hope they are. But that kind of killed my mood. I always fuck shit up. No, I'm about to get off. Alright, guys. Well, I love you guys. I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna get off. I love you guys. Comment a 1 if you don't have my Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter. Comment a 1. Alright, if you guys want my Instagram and Snapchat and all that, it's at FlaminGeos. So look at my name on here and copy it and paste it on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, everywhere. That's the same at. I uploaded 4 new musicals. Let me show you guys some right now. I uploaded 4 new musicals, and just go show some love and like it up. Hold up.
Yeah, they hate, but they broke though. And it's on the gotta make up your mind, but do you? Oh no, I think you're. Oh no, I think I'm catching feelings, and I don't know.
Alright, go check it out. It's at FlaminGeos. But I love you guys.